Hi friends, today we will discuss about the important steps of installation. First of all, we will check whether it is our personal computer or it is office network computer. If it is our personal computer, so take backup for the following folder. First of all, we will check user profile folder backup. The location of it is C users and your username. All folder which you need, but main three folder are the important: my documents, desktop and downloads. So we first check where is our user profile. Go to C drive and check your user login, and here all documents you can take backup, but there are three importants: desktop, my documents and downloads. Friends, after copy the folder from this location, we can shift in other drive where we have a space, for example in D drive, E drive and USB drive. Finally, we will check C drive. If there is any folder which we have our data, then we will transfer also to an other location on USB or DE, any other drive. Friends, secondly, if we have a office computer or laptop, take the backup for the following folder and files carefully. First of all, user profile or profiles, because in office there is a lot of users using the same PC in the shift system, so there also a domain system there. Then user Outlook email backup, PST backup file. Carefully make the list of installed application on this workstation. Generally application like MS Office, Outlook, PDF Reader, WinZip and whatever. Custom made application, as we know there is a lot of department in office, so they uses different kind of applications in each department like ERP, QuickBook, Tally, HR system, AutoCAD, CorelDRAW, etc. Carefully we should note it, because after fresh installation we need to install again all these applications. Friends, we are also need to check carefully the mapped drive, because in office there is a lot of network mapping. Make a list of all mapped drive. After the installation of fresh copy, we need to configure it again as well. Okay friend, if you learn something from my video, then kindly subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you very much.